Hello, guys, and welcome to this program. This is Stretching to Become Younger. We'll be doing some stretches so that we can gain that look, that younger look, and I would encourage everyone at all ages to try and do this exercise with me. I'm also beginning, and I hope you will enjoy these exercises. Please join me, and you will enjoy. So, the first exercise is the thread the needle. Thread the needle will focus on back of your shoulders, posterior deltoids, upper back, thoracic spine, and rhomboids. Also, the neck. If you find yourself performing overhead activities, from reaching things on a high shelf to throwing a baseball, this stretch is for you. It can also help relieve any pain you may be dealing with because of rotator cuff tendinitis and shoulder bursitis. So this is a cool down static exercise. We have the instructions, and the first instruction is from our hands and knees position. Turn your head to the left and slide your right arm along the floor underneath your left arm. Position your palm to face the ceiling. Keep your hips tucked over your knees. Extend your left arm fully in front of your body and press your right forearm and upper arm, if possible, firmly into the floor. Hold this stretch at least for 30 seconds. Switch sides and repeat the exercise. If you want to style it up or change it up, you can make, if you want an easier version of this stretch, take a seated position and cross one arm across your chest using the opposite hand. Apply gentle pressure to your upper arm or forearm and pull the crossed arm closer to your body. I'm not sure if I'll be doing it correct, but I hope it's something like this. I hope it's something like this, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and the second exercise we'll be doing is called the floor angles. This will work on front of your shoulders, chests, back, and the latissimus dorsi. This dynamic stretch loosens your shoulder joints, minimizing pain and decreasing the likelihood of shoulder-related injuries. This is a warm-up dynamic exercise. We have the instruction is to lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, arms bent alongside your body, elbows pinned into your sides, and palms facing up. Keeping your arms in contact with the floor, inhale and slide your arms out and over your head until your index fingers touch. As you exhale, slide your arms back down to the starting position, keeping your arms and hands in contact with the floor throughout the movement. Repeat this sequence of movements. If you want to change it up, you can make this stretch easier. Reduce the range of motion, keeping your elbows slightly more bent as you reach your arms over your head. And for another variation, perform the movement while standing with your back against the wall. So the last exercise for today is called the open heart stretch. This will work on the chests, neck, and front of shoulders. That's the anterior deltoid. This easy move stretches your chests, shoulders, neck muscles that often become tight due to poor posture, especially while chatting Most of us while chatting, you have to look down, and also while sitting. So due to poor posture, this exercise really helps. This is a cool down static exercise. We have the instructions. While seated, interlace your hands behind the upper back of your head, close to the crown. Gently pull your head forward, guide, guiding your chin forward, your chest, while keeping your elbows open as wide as possible. Hold this stretch for at least 30 seconds. If you want to change it up, you can make it slightly less intense. Next stretch, perform this stretch in a standing position. If you want a more slightly intense next stretch, draw your chin as low as possible onto your chest. So guys, this is part 1 and we'll be doing another part tomorrow. I hope you stick with me as you get younger. Let's stretch and get younger.